What is it, BJ? Silver Striker.
We're on the BART.
We got David.
We're departing San Bruno Station. And our next, we're gonna be getting off the next stop.
Yeah, the internet might cut off because we'll be in a few tunnels.
I think they were trying to get some Wi-Fi for this one. No, wait, this is the only underground section that doesn't have Wi-Fi. What the? You're creepy. Boy, you're creepy. Get that camera away from my face.
Oh my god, my eardrum.
What?
Is somebody saying something?
No, your ears are just popping because of the pressure and the high speed.
What?
These are the fastest trains. Whoa. Next stop is ours, alright? South City.
Oh my god, I just caught my ears.
Hey, come on, stand up with me. For those of you wondering, we started here, and now we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go from here to here.
I love you too, David.
What?
I love you too, David.
Aw, that's sweet.
Surfin bird. I say surfin bird and you do what?
I got balls, son.
And they drop it. 2 seconds.
Whoa! I know these trains stop kind of fast, huh?
I just said motherfucker.
Nilo, prepare for arrival at South San Francisco. Doors are opening on this side. There's just something so mesmerizing about watching these lights flash by the time. Alright, Nilo, keep the camera ready. Keep the camera ready. We're about to arrive at South City. Oh, skills.
San Francisco.
Check it out. I got San Francisco, bitches. Oh, here we are, South City. Alright, we're gonna get off, look around, and go right back on the other track, alright?
I love you too, buddy.
Can you please stop saying that?
Okay, sorry.
Do you really want me to keep saying you fat little whatever? South City. Alright, and oh my god, look how cool that is. Look at that metallic roof.
Fuck.
I know. Hey, can I get this? I'm walking my pickle. What the hell's your problem, man? I'm gonna film this. Platform 1. Bro, look how cool and the skylights.
Escalator.
Oh, look how cool this is.
What the fuck is an escalator?
I know. This is a station. This station.
What's an escalator?
You don't know what an escalator? It's a moving staircase, dummy. Oh man. What? South Central. What?
It's not working.
It's a staircase. That's a regular staircase, butt brain.
Gotta get the party one. I'm PE final tomorrow.
Yep. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Neela's PE finals tomorrow. Okay, now
It's me.
don't behave yourself.
No, it's me.
Bart Simpson. Are you quoting Bart Simpson? Are you okay, bro? Are you quoting Bart Simpson because this is the Bart system?
Oh, yeah. Who's Bart?
Everyone knows who Bart Simpson is, bruh. But do people know what the Bart system is? Oh man. South City. The South Side City. We're just gonna look around real quick. Look. Bro, look, there's all sorts of metallic reflections. Hey, bro, go under the metallic roof there and then dab. I want to see if it reflects. Stand under the shiny roof and then do a dab. I want to see if it reflects off the metallic ceiling. Bro, get over here. We are in South San Francisco now. Alright, ready? Go. Okay, I can't, it doesn't, I don't really know. Oh wait, there's your reflection. Alright, go. And dabbing off the reflective ceiling does work. But Danilo will see that once it's uploaded. So this is the South San Francisco BART station.
This way.
Bro, we're gonna go back. All right, yo. I know, man. We gotta get back to San Matete. Bro, I know, man. Habibi. I don't really know, man. Should I or shouldn't I? Bro, man. It's only a miserable walk. Look how pretty this station is. That train's gonna go. What?
No, I just saw it jumping off there.
Danilo, you will die. Danilo, it's like 20 feet down. It's like 20 feet down, yo. No, Danilo, that was not the train that we want. That train's going to the airport and not to Millbrae, so. Bro, that wasn't our train. Trust me, I'm the expert on rail systems here. Oh, what's this out here? Oh, you can still hear the train going off in the distance. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was our walkthrough of the.
It's so quiet here.
I know, it's creepy, right? Skylight. Look at that marvelous roof. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the video because it might be going on a little long. But listen,
Peace.
Quiet. No, quiet. Listen to how quiet this station is.
Being here at night.
We're not at night.
At night and it's quiet. That'll be so creepy. Oh, let's do that.
What if?
An overnight tunnel, it's like over here.
The station's open 24/7, 365.
Oh fuck.
Well, I guess it wouldn't hurt to come over here sometime during the hours of the night, see what it's like. I pity there's always a guy who's working here to keep an eye on things, right? Imagine what working the graveyard shift would do to you. You're here at night, not a soul is around except for you. The next train isn't gonna come for the next half hour.
Wait, seriously?
So you are all alone.
Wait, seriously?
Bitch, I'm joking.
Oh, you could have
That will get creepy as hell, but alright, so let's just take a brief look into that tunnel down there. And that is the end. Peace out.
Peace.
Dab.